Hey everyone, Corbin here with My Tennessee Home Solution. It's amazing to think about how many stories a house can hold. For one family, this property was a place where many memories were made. And when they inherited it, they had a difficult choice: invest the time and money into renovating it themselves or sell it and move forward. After talking through their options, they decided that a fair cash offer gave them the freedom they needed without taking on months and months of work and spending tens and tens of thousands of dollars, all for an uncertain experience whenever they would go to sell it on the market. In this house, if you can kind of see behind me, I'm in the garage. The house is fully renovated and we actually just listed it on the market. It's ready for the next family to come in and have what's hopefully an amazing chapter for them. It worked out really well. There was a veteran who lived in the home and his kids called us and they said, "Hey, our dad's a vet. He's going to be moving to more of an assisted living situation. And we're just kind of torn between what we want to do. We don't really want to put all the money into it that it needs. This property is here in Gallatin. So it's right in our backyard. Our office is in Hendersonville. So I came on over, met with the family, and went through all the options. We said this is what it would be worth as is. This is what it might be worth if you resold it and put tens and tens of thousands of dollars into it. Both bathrooms had water damage, so full bathroom renovations, kitchen, landscape on the outside, deck work, paint, you name it. Everything pretty much had to be modernized. So we sat down and talked, and we came to what we both agreed would be a fair offer to buy in its as-is condition. And then now, several months later, we have the property here on the market ready for the next family, and it's starting to go ahead and get some showings. So it was a really good um, win-win for everybody that was involved. And if you're thinking, I got this property, and whether it's inherited or not, and you're like, well, I don't really know what I want to do with it. If I want to fool with it, if I want to put all that time and money into it, or if I just want to sell it for a fair as is offer, give us a call. Our number is 615-637 sold, or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com. We'd love to walk you through your options and see what makes the most sense for you and your family. Thank you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.